And then you'll go completely dotty over your writing. Do you know what? I think there's nothing more special than receiving a greeting card that someone's handmade for you. You know, when I was at school, I used to make them all the time for my family, but I had a small problem. I would take time making my card and it looked very nice, but when it came to do the lettering, I wasn't very good. Watch this. I'd start off, ordinary lettering, but the problem is, well, it's ordinary. It's very boring. You see, I wasn't very good at doing fancy lettering. Then I discovered a new trick. I went dotty. No, I don't mean I went bonkers. I went dotty with my lettering. Watch this. Just draw dots on the end of all your letters, like that. Just looking for those ends of the letters. And little circular dots. And look what starts to happen. Your lettering starts to look, well, crazy and dotty. Just look for the ends of your lines on your letters and just draw a dot at the end of each one. And there it is. Ordinary, boring writing given a dotty design. Hey, and it works brilliantly if you do your letters in multicolours. Look at this. And on this one, I've even filled the dots in. So you can do little circle dots, or you can fill them in as blobs. Or, how about this? Again, just do ordinary, boring writing, nothing special, and this time keep the letters apart, don't overlap them. And how's about going even more dotty and doing little spiral dots? Watch this. Again, at the end of each line, just do a little spiral, like that. Just find the lines at the end of each letter and pop on a little squiggly spiral. And again, you can do it in full colour. Good tip, isn't it? So don't worry if you're not very good at fancy lettering. You don't even need to be neat. Just go dotty. And you can do dotty lettering on any of your greetings cards. Like this Valentine's card. Thought I'd put spiral dots on that one. And ordinary multicoloured dots on this well-done card. Or how about little creepy crawlies for a Halloween card? Who needs to be great at the fancy stuff when you can go dotty? Try it yourself. Dotty lettering.